Zoom, zoom, zoom.
And now then, tomorrow.
Well,
I heard about
actually,
first one.
So embarrassed. Hey, you dress your hands together.
actually,
Which she is that?
Technicolor world, putting me in overdrive. Speed of light, I'm so alive. Could you be my supernova girl?
Hey, what else going? It's good. How are you? I'm good. So what's that the mistake? I don't know.
Zoom, 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 make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl.
A moose girl.
My supernova girl. Zoom, zoom, make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova.
The moose says moose, moose.
It's like,
I'm a moose.
finally. That's what you've been waiting for?
Okay, Catherine, what noise does the moose make?
Moo.
Could you be my supernova girl?
Yeah.
What noise does the moose make? Because I think the moose goes far. I mean, when you write it down, think about it. If you write down moo, like M
No.
O O.
Moose? No.
No, you don't.
Okay, Sarah, what noise does the moose make?
I think a moose goes nah.
Okay, what about you, Ashley?
What about me?
What noise does a moose make? What noise does a moose make?
It's weird.
No.
What noise does it make?
Let's do.
It's not.
What noise does a moose make?
Is it actually like going? I guess since you're like following me everywhere with it.
Go! What noise does a moose make?
There's nothing else you can do.
Who's getting on my nerves a lot? No. Well, yeah.
Okay, what noise does a moose make?
I don't know.
I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
Am I gross enough?